So how to use Autoglym Rapid Ceramic Spray. So this panel has been rinsed, washed and dried. You can clay bar it if you want to. Obviously you ain't got no protection, paint protection, ceramic coating on there already. You can then polish the bodywork, take the polish off, and then what I do is get the spray on a microfiber pad. Literally just work a small section at a time, so literally probably no bigger than that. You have to do it on panels that are quite cool, definitely not hot panels, and then get a microfiber and then just give it a slight buff, so it's sort of buff to a shine, and then leave it. That's it. I think you can apply a second coat after 24 hours, but it's literally section at a time. You know, maybe the bonnet in full sections, roof in multiple sections. You might be able to get away with maybe doing a wing, then perhaps half a door, the other part of the door, rear quarter, but it's literally a section sort of shoulder width apart both ways at a time, and then put it on, buff it off, and that's how I do it. You can put it on wet if you want to, but I just find it easier to do it dry, section at a time, which is you know, it's just a simple way of doing it. So that is the Autoglym Rapid Ceramic Spray. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Please do take a look around at the other uploads. It would help a lot. Thank you.